In today's video I want to show you guys how you can change your equalizer settings. Okay, for the first step we can click on the home button. So click on this and then we go to the left to the settings, not down, to the left, and then we have here the settings. Click on this, go to sound, go down to sound, then to the right click on export settings, and here we have the equalizer. Can click on this and then we can change the equalizer settings. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe, it would help me a lot, and then see you next time.